Manny here. I am with Corinna, the flat earth girl, and we have the grounding map. Corinna will give you a flat thumbs, as you can see, and we will make a new multimeter experiment. And Corinna is on the grounding map, and when she will left the grounding map, you can see it will go up to 3000 or something like this. And now go back. Probier's einmal nicht mit einem Fuß auch wieder. Weiters. If you are grounded, tu es nochmal. If you are grounded and you go with 1 feet back, everything is good. But when she will go with the 2nd feet back, it goes up. That's really great. So you can check this for yourself. Get the multimeter. You have to bring 1 cable into the was heißt das? Nullleiter? Was heißt Nullleiter? Weißt du nicht, gell? The flat earth girl also don't know what is Nullleiter. And Santos, I told you, Sean Hibbler told me you should get a grounding map. Check this out, Santos. That's very cool. Ciao.